Yawning is contagious. We all know that. Studies have shown that we are up to 6 times more likely to yawn after seeing someone else yawn. Even hearing and thinking about yawning can cause us to yawn. But what's interesting is that yawning isn't always caused by us being tired. In fact, a popular theory is that contagious yawning is the result of social mirroring, which is when you copy the gesture, speech pattern, and attitudes of another person without even realizing it. Other examples of social mirroring include scratching, arm crossing, and laughing. Now, what's interesting is that you are more likely to catch a yawn from a friend or family member than from a random stranger, which has led many people to connect empathy towards individuals to why